Welly scale model 1 to 87. Mercedes-Benz A200. The Mercedes-Benz A-Class is a subcompact executive car, regular subcompact in its first two generations, produced by the German automobile manufacturer Mercedes-Benz. The first generation, W168, was introduced in 1997. The second generation model, W169, appeared in late 2004, and the third generation model, W176, was launched in 2012. The fourth generation model, W177, which was launched in 2018, will mark the first time the A-Class is offered in the United States and Canada. This fourth generation A-Class will also be the first to be offered both as a hatchback, W177, and sedan, V177. Originally produced only as a 5-door hatchback in 1997, the second generation W169 introduced a 3-door hatchback. In the markets where the A-Class is or has been sold, it has represented the entry-level model for Mercedes-Benz. Having grown by 68 cm or 27 inch since the original model, the 2012 third generation A-Class was longer than the first generation B-Class. Although sometimes referred to by fans as the Baby Benz, Mercedes themselves actually used that moniker for the 1982 Mercedes 190 W201, their first compact executive car model. Production of the A-Class began at the Mercedes-Benz Rastatt plant in 2012. Mercedes-Benz signed an agreement with the Finnish supplier Valmet Automotive to expand A-Class vehicle production, where Valmet will produce more than 100,000 units for Daimler from 2013 through 2016. The agreement was later continued to cover the rest of the production time of the third version, which came to an end when production of the fourth version began in 2018. In 2017, Mercedes-Benz signed a new agreement with the Finnish supplier for the fourth version. Production of A-Series Blue direct 4-cylinder engines took place at Mercedes-Benz engine production plant in Kalita. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook pages.